Hey, digital deception viewers. Today, a stunning breakdown of public safety protocols in California has been violated. The warning of state officials and exposed to potential risk for prioritizing political spectacle over common sense. We are, of course, talking about the live fire military demonstration at Camp Pendleton this past Saturday. A show designed to celebrate the Marine Corps' 250th anniversary with President J.D. Vance in attendance during the spectacle. A live artillery shell, a massive 155 millimeter round, detonated prematurely mid-air. The results, metal shrapnel raining down onto the closed portion of Interstate 5 in a dramatic near miss. A California Highway Patrol vehicle, which was part of the Vice President's security detail, was struck and damaged. This is where the deception angle comes into sharp focus. For days leading up to the event, Governor Gavin Newsom had loudly and repeatedly voiced his fierce objection to exercise, calling the decision to fire live munitions over I-5 dangerous and a matter of ego over responsibility. The response from military officials, a confident assertion that the exercise was safe and that closing the highway, which Newsom ultimately ordered, was unnecessary. The incident, unfortunately, speaks for itself. The state's concern was tragically but quickly validated. The fallout was immediate. Firing was suspended, and the Marine Corps is now scrambling to launch a formal investigation into what they determined a possible airborne detonation. But while they investigate the ordinance, the public must demand an investigation into the decision-making process itself. Who signed off on this plan that the CHP division chief called unusual and concerning? No injuries were reported, which is nothing short of miraculous, but the dent in the patrol car is more than just property damage. It's a visible symbol of what happens when safety warnings are ignored at the highest levels. We continue to track the investigation and hold those responsible accountable for the risk posed to public safety. For Digital Deceptions, I'm Chris Francis, and have a good night.